Question number 6. A projectile is fired from a point P with a velocity v at an angle theta to the horizontal. It lands at point Q, a horizontal distance r from P after time t. Okay. The acceleration of free fall is g, fine. Air resistance is negligible. Which equation is correct? That's the question. So he is relating the range to the given parameters. Okay, now how do you find range? Range r is equal to ux into t. You already learned where t is nothing but the time taken by the projectile to start from here and to reach here, which is given as t over here, and you need to find the value of ux. How do you relate ux here? We know that this v can be resolved along the horizontal as vx, which is equal to v cos theta. So therefore, substituting it over here, vx and ux are one and the same. So I can now write this as a v cos theta into t. Which equation correspond to it? Answer is A. Okay.